who will prove corruption that is corrupt?
Well, I think that's what the investigations are for, I suppose, isn't it? That's what Imran Khan is trying to do, but how will they prove corruption against him if he's not here to face the charges?
जो मुकदमात चल रहे हैं, अगर मियां साहब इलाज की ही गरज से पाकिस्तान से चले जाएंगे, तो मुकदमात का क्या बनेगा? वापस आएंगे,
इंशाल्लाह मियां साहब facing all cases, no problem here.
Yeah.
But miyan sahab not trust on this government, fake government, this U-turn government.
Yeah, right.
Everywhere taking U-turn. Don't have any one agenda. One agenda. No have agenda.
Yeah.
No have agenda. Everywhere, every time taking U-turn. Fake talking mean no have a strong point of view on everything.
You understand what
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
I understand. I think, and how can you expect to have a democratic system that works if opposition parties simply refuse to cooperate with the parties that are in power?
वो कह रहा है कि डेमोक्रेटिक जमहूरी निज़ाम ताकतवर कैसे होगा कि अगर वो जमातें जो ताकत में नहीं है वो हुकूमत का साथ नहीं देंगी.
जो ताकत में नहीं है वो हुकूमत के साथ.
ऑपोजिशन, पीपल्स पार्टी, PMLN, अगर आप लोग साथ नहीं देंगे तरीके इंसाफ का तो जमहूरी निज़ाम ताकतवर कैसे होगा?
सर पाकिस्तान I have don't think about this detract this democratic system.
Right.
Me and nawaz sharif don't say.
Yeah.
But now reason is must be treatment over leadership. Me and nawaz sharif must be. That's why stay here, going outside, need to going outside. Why this doctors have in London?
Yeah.
I mean,
treatment.
Yeah. No.
Doctors in London. Treatment start to now from London. That's why belong from London. That's why.
So it's interesting that one other thing I'd like to ask. He's now sitting together with the PPP, and previously the PPP had attacked claims about health and about things like that were made by the PMLN.
This not issue.
And now suddenly that's not a problem.
उसका सवाल सुन लेना, उसका सवाल सुन ले फिर आप बेहतर जवाब दे सकेंगे. सवाल ये है कि वो कह रहा है कि यही पीपल्स पार्टी माजी में बेगम कुलसूम नवाज की सेहत पर भी मजाक कर चुकी है. अब आप लोग मियां साहब की सेहत पता करने आ रहे हैं. बिलावल साहब, आपको ये मजाक नहीं लग रहा?
No, this one not joke. This one not joke. This one leadership. This one leadership coming on coming for asking about health. This one not joke. But government is playing with me and Nawaz Sharif from health. Playing with health, me and Nawaz Sharif.
Right.
This government, this current government, playing with health, me and Nawaz Sharif.